Rajveer here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are on my channel for the first time, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. I make videos about how to make money online and basically anything about making extra money or start a profitable online business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your affiliate product on Facebook. So without wasting time, I will jump on Facebook. So here is my Facebook profile. So I will show you how I promote my products and how I get results with Facebook. So before you start promoting your products on Facebook, make sure your profile is fully optimized. Like you can see my profile. Like here is my cover photo and here are two links, right? So it should be working as a funnel. So I will show you how you can do that. So when someone will come on my profile, he will directly see that I'm helping beginners to make money online without using paid ads. So when he will click on this button, then here you can see that I have two links here. So this one is my affiliate product and this one is my YouTube channel. So they will click on these links, then I will get commission when they will purchase the this product. So I will show you how you can do that. So first head over to Canva. Then search for a Facebook cover. Here you can see that there are a lot of templates you can use. So let me see which template I can use. So I'm going to pick this template. Let's go. First you have to upload your picture here. So I'm going to upload this picture, see here. And then you have to change this. So I'm just going to copy paste this one. Where is Rajveer, and here helping beginners how to make money online without using paid ads. So just adjust this writing and change size of this text. Then you have to place an animated button like this one. So just click on elements and then pick any of these buttons. So I'm going to pick this button. Then you have to right click here. So click on heading, just drag and drop here and right click here. Decrease the size of this button and move it here. Click here. Increase the size of click here. Just bold it. Decrease the size of this button. And just adjust this text. So you can change the color of background. Suppose this one, right? You can change the color of text, taking it black. So now our cover photo is ready. So just download it. It should be PNG. So download. Okay, so now then click on edit cover photo and upload a photo. Then just select that photo we have just created now and then click here and then edit. Then you can edit here like helping beginners how to start an online business, like whatever you are going to promote, and then place your links here. Okay, just place one or two links, not more than two links. Then finish editing. So our cover photo is finished. Then next is our profile photo. Click on your profile photo and view profile picture, then you can see that I have placed my links here too, my affiliate product and my Facebook group, right? Just click on edit and then edit this portion, then finish editing. And then you have to change your bio here. Click on edit and write, you can write just I don't know, around maybe 60 or 70 words. So you can write it here, then click link in bio. Don't put your link here because you already put your links here and your in your cover photo and in your profile photo, right? So then as you can see that here I put my two links. So this one is my backends page. So you can see that here I put three links. First of my 15 days legendary marketer challenge, and then second is my 3-day challenge and my one funnel away challenge, right? You can put just one link too. And this one is my Facebook group. So I do the same thing in my Facebook group. And then how you can do this, just click on edit details. Don't put anything here like your workplace or your college or university, about your college or university. Just write your current city and whatever your relationship, if you want to write it or no. Okay, and then put your websites here, your links, save. Then you have to create your featured photo, right? So click on edit feature. So this photo also you will create in Canva, as I created in I created cover photo. So what you will do, just write Facebook story and you can choose any template here. Okay, and here you can see I placed my results here, right? So you can place your results here, and yeah, that's it. Now your profile is ready. Now I will show you which tool I'm using for Facebook marketing. If you want to start doing Facebook marketing, then I'm placing link for that tool in description. After getting that tool from that link, text me on Messenger. I will send you full training. Okay, so the name of that tool is EL Messenger Pro. So here is EL Messenger Pro icon. So this is a Chrome extension. So I will click on this. So as you can see that I have already created a lot of tags, right? 3-day challenge, group, affiliate marketer, click funnels, common friends, follow up, hot lead, legendary marketer, new, right? So you have to create these tags first. So I will make another video on how to create these tags and everything, right? So how I'm using this tool, this tool makes my life easier. So let me show you. So what I will do, first go in groups, and suppose I'm going to use in 3-day business breakthrough challenge, right? So I will go on that group, just click on members. Okay, and then here you can see that category, choose this one is EL Messenger Pro, right? So here in category, press new to the group, and then I always use new tag, not other tags. So new, you whatever you want to use tag, you can use that tag. And then here number of requests, but don't send more than 40 or 50 because it looks spam for Facebook. So then send interval means you have to set a time interval between two requests. So I set a time interval 15 to 20 seconds, and then start. And you can see that this tool is now working for me. So this tool makes my life easier. So see, it already sent a message in Messenger. And what other things you have to do in the groups, just go in any group and then start engaging with other people's posts. Like here you can see that I'm focusing on copywriting, then people um, write in comment sections, right? So here you can see that I commented on this post, so you have to engage in other people's posts, right? And other thing is you have to post every day on your profile so that people will see what you are doing and engage with you, right? And like you see, I most of the time I post stories instead of my posters. So you can see that I posted stories here, right? So you have to post every day on Facebook and engage with people. If you have any question about Facebook marketing, then you can um, text me on my messenger, or if you want to learn more about it and you want me to make video about EL Messenger Pro, then just write in the comment section. If you want to start affiliate marketing, then I will place links in my description. Then you can get training from those links, and when you will get training, then just text me on Messenger. I will talk to you and I will help you out. Okay. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and share, and I will appreciate that. Thank you so much. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel.